Hey guys, how's it going? How to restart any iPhone without power button. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead to your browser and you need to know how to restart, your iPhone without a power button. All right, how to restart right iPhone without power button. Right? And as you can see right here, it says, let me just open it, right? You can just go ahead and press quickly to release the volume up button, and then press and quickly release the volume down button. You can do both ways. And you can press and hold the side button, the one on your right finger, and then when the Apple logo appears, release the side button. So basically you're gonna use the right button or right finger, and you can use the volume up, right, and just click on the right finger in the and the volume down or volume up finger, so you can activate the restart button without needing to actually go to any settings or whatever, right? So this is like a quick way. You hold your right finger and then volume up or down, and then you hold it until you see the iPhone logo. All right, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.